Welcome to Riverstone by Pulte Homes, located in Monroe, North Carolina, a new construction community where convenience and lifestyle come together to create a vibrant and thriving neighborhood. Spanning over 162 acres, this vibrant community by Pulte Homes features 564 home sites and 16 unique home designs. Future residents can choose from a variety of options, including townhomes, ranch, and two-story floor plans, each tailored to your needs. With flexible interiors that blend beauty and functionality, your new home will be perfect for both everyday living and special gatherings. Personalize your space with designer-curated options and create the home of your dreams, all crafted to fit your lifestyle seamlessly. Riverstone's abundant on-site community amenities cater to every lifestyle. Join neighbors for a friendly game of pickleball, take a dip in the pool, play with your furry friend at the dog park, relax in one of the many pocket parks, or take an evening stroll through the neighborhood with family, friends, and neighbors. There is truly something for everyone. But the action doesn't end there. Just outside the community, you'll find active living and leisure at the local YMCA, Belk Tonawanda Park, or Crooked Creek Park. While proximity to major employers in downtown Monroe and uptown Charlotte ensure a smooth commute. Enjoy convenient shopping at Uniontown Center, Poplar Place, and Monroe Crossing Mall. Located conveniently near Monroe Expressway, you're just minutes away from everything you need. For your healthcare needs, top-tier facilities like Atrium Health Union West Emergency Department and Novant Health Matthews Medical Center are nearby. Discover a place where gracious living, modern amenities, and a prime location come together. Welcome to Riverstone. Contact us today to learn more. Your dream home awaits.